everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life, and today is day number 6 for the 12 Days of Christmas YouTube Hub. So thanks for joining me again today, y'all. So today we're going to go ahead and make a little like frame stand, and this is, I'm just using a frame from the dollar store. It was it's 5x7, and then I picked up some of these cups, or little, I guess, champagne glasses from the dollar store, right? And I was looking at them, and I thought I always wanted to make or have one of those frames that you can put a picture in, or just a little decoration that stand up, you know, like this. They kind of stand up like this, okay? And then people can put their pictures in there or whatever. And I just thought how fun that would be to create something like that, but use our design paper. So I went ahead and picked up these little champagne glasses, okay? And what you're going to need is you're going to need 2 circles that are a 2.5 inch punch, okay? You're going to glue these together, and then you're going to go ahead and glue a piece of decorative paper on top of that, just like that, and put that right in the center. Now they do come apart, okay, so we are going to glue that in there so it doesn't come apart, but we're going to glue that on there after we're done doing our picture frame and everything like that. Then you're going to need 2 circles that are about 4 to 4.5 inches, okay, wide. And then you're going to cut a piece of paper and just stick it over it, okay. Now, there's 2 things you can do with this. I'm going to use cotton balls for mine because I don't have any of that snow around. I couldn't find it. I know I have some somewhere in this house, but I couldn't find any, so I thought, why not just use cotton balls, you know, and we don't need very much, and I'm just going to go ahead and kind of spread them out around the circle, and this is going to go on in top of it, okay, and for the inside, I would go ahead and use these little jingle bells that I have, okay, and I just have these little red and green ones, and I don't know, I don't think I'm going to put any holly or anything like that inside there. I think just those will be good enough, and then if I wanted to, I could definitely throw in some other items, because I've got stickers here, I've got a sticker sheet, and then I also have some chipboard that I have too. So I could always use some items around here and place it underneath our little cup here, okay? And you can even put like little snowman or something like that in there if you have them that tiny. You could definitely do that. I know some people have used the wine glasses and other things, but I thought for this one I would try it out with the little champagne glasses and see how that works out. So basically they just come apart and it's pretty easy. So just like this, and you just stick it right like that. So you can drink wine while you're crafting. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, okay? So like I said, first is my circles. I'm going to go ahead and put my design paper up on top of these, okay? And you don't have to cut 2 circles. I think 1 circle would be plenty. So you could just use 1 circle. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my glue, put glue around here. Now, if you wanted to, you could definitely paint the border on this if you want. But I thought the snow might, the little cotton balls that I tend to put on here, will probably cover that up. So I'm just going to make sure that's even on there. And grab my bone folder. Now you will need your hot glue for this, okay? So definitely have that ready to go. So, okay, and then I just wanted to let you know, so I did purchase the frame from the dollar store, and then these little glasses, these champagne glasses from the dollar store, okay? So, and I think I'm going to go ahead and cover this one too, the bottom of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the paper that I had. And I'm going to go ahead and just punch another circle. I thought this would be super cute for like if you wanted to put a holiday picture in there, or if you wanted to just jazz it up with some of your design paper for a nice little saying, or scenery, you know, for like a display on a table or something. You could definitely do that. Okay, and then this little guy is going to fit right in here, just like that. Okay, just like that. So okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on here, and I'm just going to put a little bit of glue, not a lot. And then again, this is going to sit like this, but first we're going to go ahead and we are going to put this on. I'm just breaking all this up, so it'll look like snow, maybe. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some glue on here, and I'm just going to put it all the way around. Okay, and I'm just going to start attaching it. And if you want to add some more, you can definitely, you know, just keep adding until you feel that you have it the way that you want it. Alrighty, okay, so now my little base is all good to go. So there we go. So just like that. Okay. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out my little houses, and I went ahead and cut out my little Santa and his sleigh, and I'm going to go ahead and put those on there like that. I might go ahead and put some foam tape on here just to pop it up. And then here I put on my 2-inch tape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just tape it off. And then I'm going to grab my glue, okay, and I am going to put glue on here. And the reason why I'm doing that is just to, so if I don't put this on straight, I have some maneuvering a little bit with the glue attached on here. Okay, so for the next step, what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and add a little bit of faux snow on here. And I have this liquid applique, and I actually bought this. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby. It's made by Movavi, and so you could look that up online. And what you can do with this is you go ahead and you put it on your items. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then you heat it up, and it kind of puffs up. So it's really, really cool. I love this stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of my snowflakes, and fast forward. I'm also going to do the snow that is down below on the houses. Okay. Okay, so there you go. And as you can see, it kind of gives it like a little 3D look. You can see it's kind of puffed up there on the trees, and you can see the little balls. See right there? That's a perfect angle. You guys can see how it puffs up. So I just love that stuff. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some stickles to this. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for this to dry, and then I'll be right back in the frame. In the meantime, while this is drying, because this is a little bit raised up a bit, we are going to go ahead and add a little bit of foam tape to the edge here. Okay, so basically I'm gonna add it to like about maybe halfway here. here on the lid, on the lip of this, and then up here. That way when we fit it in, it will be like 3D sort of, and we can still fit our glass inside. So you're going to go ahead and put your glass inside first. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and grab our foam tape. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab my tape. Okay, and I'm not going to need very much because we're just going to cut this in like little tiny strips. Okay, so actually even smaller than that. So you're going to cut them just very tiny. And I'm just going to put this right up here. All right, so just like that. Okay, so I went ahead and took my the backing off the tape, and I'm going to go ahead and just set this in here just like this. And then I have these little nib things, and I'm just going to go ahead and fold those down just like that. Okay, and there is our little picture. Yay! It's so cute. So, okay, so I found my little Merry Christmas sign, and I'm just going to stick it right there. And it's just a sticker. I'm not going to glue it down or anything. So it's just going to go right there up in the corner. And then I thought it would be super cute to add some other little things around the area. So I think I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through the decorating of the frame. So there's that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is now we are going to go ahead and glue our little piece on. So we're going to go ahead and glue this guy here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put glue inside here. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and push down on that. All right. And I already set down the little Christmas bells in here. I didn't attach them. Put this over like this. Okay. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. So I'm going to put glue on the edge of this. Okay. So just like this. Okay. Alrighty, and I'm just going to set that down over it, just like that. Okay, and so there we go. So that looks so cute. Okay, and they can roll around. So I just let them so they can roll around in there. And so next we're just going to set this on top of here like this. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually just going to put some glue right down the middle part of, put glue right down the middle part of this. And I'm going to make it kind of thick so the frame will fit right on there. And I'm just going to kind of gauge where I'm putting that. And I'm just pressing down on it. Okay. And there we go. So yeah. So look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so cute. And I can move the little balls around. So it is so cute. And then if you wanted to, you could definitely string some lights around here. You know, you could put some little lights around there. I don't have any little lights right now, but I may go to the store and get some later and do that. But yeah, so oh my gosh, this turned out super cute, and I am like super excited about. I love the balls, the little bells, how they. I like the bells and how they jiggle around down there. And then of course you can always decorate more, you know, for your frame. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and decorate, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and finished decorating everything, and I just added a few things. I actually just added some of these little clear stickers down here to the glass, and I added a little bit more of my cotton balls around, and this little tree, rocking horse, tin soldier. I added one of the pine cones that we had left over, and I added one of the little gold balls, and then I added this cute little wreath right there, and I thought that was adorable. So so basically that is it, and it stands up so nice, you guys. So back here I'm just going to add a little bit of the snow, or the I just keep calling it snow, but y'all know it's cotton balls. So and I'm just gonna like break this apart, set this up there like this, just like that. So I'm just going to grab my glue, just like this, and put that on there, just like that. That way it has a little bit of a covering on there, and it doesn't look so bare. So it kind of matches around, all the way around the top and the bottom. So alrighty, so there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my camera down, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished project, and so yeah, I hope you guys like it. It turned out really super cute, and I'm holding my camera, okay, so y'all can take a look at it, and I'll just move forward a bit so y'all can see the little tin soldier man. So if I'm crooked, I apologize, but I'm holding the camera so you guys can take a good look at what it looks like. So how cute is that? Oh my gosh, it turned out so cute, you guys. So I really like it, and so I hope that you like it too. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial how to make one of these little frame stands. So all right, thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.